Hello students, so now we are going to start with problem number 1, which is based on nth derivative of algebraic function. So in the previous video we have seen the different formulae to find out the nth derivative of different type of functions like algebraic function and transcendental function, and now I'm going to start with the numericals, in which I'm going to use the formulae which we have derived in the previous video. So let's start. So here, my friends, we have a function y as x upon x plus 1 to the power 4, and we have to find out yn. Now let me tell you, yn is nothing but the nth derivative of that given function y, which is nothing but the f of x. Now guys, how to get this nth derivative? So in the previous video we have seen different formulas. We have derived around 12 formulae, and what we are going to do is, to find out the answer of this, we are going to use the formula which we have derived previously. So guys, let's observe the function here. We have x upon x plus 1 raised to 4. Now this is the algebraic function. So if I want to find out the nth derivative of the algebraic function, I should use the formula of the algebraic function. So for the reference, I'll show you the formula. So in the algebraic section, we have two formulae. One is 1 upon ax plus b to the power m, and 1 upon x plus b. So we have these two formulae which comes under algebraic. Then we have logarithmic and other formulae, the transcendental formulae, also the exponential formula. So it means if I want to find out n derivative of this, I should use a formula from first or the second one. So guys, it means I have to convert this function in such a way that it should get converted into formula number 1 or formula number 2. Now if you observe this first or the second formula, the numerator is 1. So it means if I want to apply that formula, I should make that numerator as 1. And to make that numerator as 1, what I'll do is I will add 1 and I'll subtract 1. So that here we can get 1 in the numerator. So let's see. So here I'll say so here we are dividing the two different terms with the same denominator, that is x plus 1 to the power 4. So here I have added 1, subtracted 1, and I have divided separately. Now here this x plus 1 will be cancelled with x plus 1, and we will get the value of y as 1 upon x plus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 upon x plus 1 to the power 4. So guys, now we got the simplified value of y, and now we can find out the nth derivative, because now it is matching with my first formula. So let's compare it with the first formula. If y is 1 upon x plus b to the power m, then yn is given by this formula. So by comparison, we can say that the value of m here is 3 and here it is 4. The value of a and b both are 1 and 1, because the coefficient of x is 1. So guys, let's substitute a as 1, b as 1, and m as 3 in first case in this formula. So here I'll get minus 1 raised to n. Now n will remain n. So I'm just gonna replace a and b with 1 and m with 3. So here I'll get 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So that will become n plus 2 factorial. So I'll write it down. So therefore the yn is given by minus 1 to the power n plus 2 factorial upon, now let's come here. So a, the value of a is 1. So 1 raised to n is 1. Next, m is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial, and we know 2 factorial is 2. So here I'll say it is 2. Next, this is ax plus b, which is my x plus 1 raised to m plus n. M is 3, so n plus 3. So here I'll say it is x plus 1 raised to n plus 3. Now this is the value of nth derivative of this function. Then minus, let's find out n derivative of second function. So value of m is 4 and a and b both are same, which is 1 and 1. So let's apply this formula once again. So here we'll get 4 minus 1, that is 3. So n plus 3 factorial. So here I'll say minus 1 raised to n as it is, n plus 3 factorial upon, here a is 1, 1 raised to n 1, 4 minus 1 3 factorial, and here we will get n plus 4 in the power. So here I'll say 3 factorial, which is 6, and x plus 1 raised to n plus 4. So guys, this is the n derivative of second function. Now what you can do is we can simplify it, because here there are many terms which can come as common. So I can take minus 1 raised to n outside, I can take 2 outside, I can take x plus 1 raised to n plus 3 outside, because in these two powers, out of n plus 3 and n plus 4, n plus 3 is smaller, so we always take that smaller part common. Similarly, in the numerator we have n plus 2 factorial, n plus 3 factorial. Out of that, the smaller part is n plus 2 factorial. I can take it common. So let's see what we get. So here I'll say yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n plus 2 factorial upon 2, and here x plus 1 raised to n plus 3. Now guys, let's see what remains in the bracket. So I've taken all terms common from here. So from here I'll just get 1 minus, from second term I've taken minus 1 raised to n outside. Now here we have n plus 3 factorial. So guys, let me tell you the explanation for n plus 3 factorial. So you all know that whenever we have 5 factorial, we say it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 5 into 4 factorial. Similarly, if we have n plus 3 factorial, we will say that it is n plus 3 into n plus 2 factorial. So it means the value of n plus 3 factorial is n plus 3 into n plus 2 factorial. Out of that, n plus 2 factorial has come outside. So here we will just get n plus 3. So here I'll write it is n plus 3 upon. Now here we have 6. Out of that, 2 has gone outside. So here we'll get 3, because 2 3s are 6. Next, here we have x plus 1 raised to n plus 4. So in that, x plus 1 raised to n plus 3 is outside. So here we will get x plus 1 raised to 1. So that the multiplication of these two terms will become x plus 1 raised to n plus 4. Because whenever the base is same, we add the powers according to the laws of indices. So these are the basic things which we have done in 7th standard, and I'm sure that you all know these things. Now guys, that's the last step where we have to simplify this bracket. So we'll get the value of yn as minus 1 raised to n plus 2 factorial is gonna remain same, 2 by x plus 1 raised to n plus 3, and here this is 3x plus 3. If I cross multiply it, here we will get 3x plus 3 minus n minus 3 upon 3 times x plus 1. Now guys, out of that I can cancel this 3 with 3. So we'll get 3x minus n in the numerator and 3 upon x plus 1 in the denominator. So finally yn is minus 1 raised to n plus 2 factorial. From here we'll get 3x minus n. In the denominator, 2 3s are 6. Then x plus 1 raised to 1 and x plus 1 raised to n plus 3 is x plus 1 raised to n plus 4. And guys, let me tell you that this is the final answer of nth derivative of the given function y. So here we got the answer, and I'm sure that you like the explanation and you understood the method. So guys, if you want to learn more videos, such more videos on engineering mathematics and other subjects of engineering, then do follow to Ekeeda. Also tell your friends to subscribe to Ekeeda, because this is the only source where you can get all engineering lectures under one roof. Thank you very much guys.